How to turn on multi-guest request on TikTok Live. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on multi-guest when you're going live on TikTok. So if you want multiple people to join your live stream, follow along step by step to set it up. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your TikTok app on your phone. Now, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to go live. Once you're on the live setup screen, go ahead and start your stream. After you're live, you'll notice an option at the bottom that says Guest. Tap on that, and it will open up a menu showing any guests who might want to join your live. To enable the multi-guest feature, look for the gear icon in the corner. Go ahead and tap that. Now you'll see some layout options. TikTok gives you a couple of choices here. You can choose a panel layout or a grid layout, depending on how you want your guests to appear on screen. Next, make sure the setting that says Allow guests from viewers is turned on. This will let anyone from your audience request to join your live. If you'd rather keep it limited to just your followers, you can switch it to followers only. And that's it. Now multiple guests can join your TikTok live, making your streams more interactive and fun. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.